I'm doing my Zoom cleaning this year for 2021, and this is a collab. And here is Miss Denise to tell you all about it.
I love cleaning videos and I love after dark cleaning videos. So I am hosting my Moonlight Cleaning with Me. So what I want you to do is just clean something after dark. And you can choose what you clean. It can be your kitchen, your family room, a bathroom, an appliance like your microwave. You get to decide. You get to choose. It's just after dark when the moon is up. Do your cleaning.
I am doing my zone cleaning for 2021. I find out that it's much easier for me to zone clean the heavy stuff, the mess that need to be dealt with, decluttered and organized, than to start out just in one area. And so I made me a list. So in today's video, I am doing my refrigerator. How many times have you got up on top or got in a chair and look on top of your refrigerator? My daughter told me that one of my children said that they're not cooking no more fried chicken in their home because it makes a mess. I'm telling you guys, when you clean, look on top of your cabinets after you have cooked. If you cook chicken, or especially if that grease is all over the place, you'll be surprised what's on top of these cabinets. Now, of course, I'm not dealing with fingerprints, but there is some dust hiding on the top. Now, of course, when you clean, you're supposed to start to the top first, but I did the messy part first, which is my refrigerator, the top, and I moved all the mess and junk that I had up there and find a razor blade that I was looking for. But when you clean, start from the top first and clean it. My cleaner is Order Band, the odorizing cleaner, and you have seen me use it so many times before, but I'm telling you guys, this really cut grease off of these cabinets. You must try it. It's only $4 plus tax. So I had a lot of dust, dirt, and grease, even over my microwave. Guys, you're going to have to get up in a chair and you're going to have to get the top of these refrigerators. Now, usually I pull it out, but I didn't bother my husband yet, but I will be pulling out the refrigerator. Okay, let's go inside. Of course, you see everything is out of order, and this is a hot mess. Y'all don't have to say it, I will say it. But I'm telling you guys, I haven't cleaned this refrigerator in a while, so I am going to do a deep clean. And this video is right on time, so I can share this with you. I know it sounds kind of rough, guys, but I'm not breaking anything. All I'm doing is taking everything out of my refrigerator and setting it on my island. And I have to go through dates. Also, I want to go back to the comment I made when I was cleaning the cabinets. My oldest daughter told me that my second daughter said that she's not frying no more chicken in her house because it makes such a mess. It messes up her cabinets. So tell me in the comment if you knew that the grease gets with the grime and the dust, and it really does messes up your cabinets. Look at your ceiling. It's according to how high your ceilings are too. If you got a regular size height ceiling, look at those walls and those ceiling. It really does affect. That grease does affect it. You have to constantly keep that clean. So let me know in the comment if you really saw how bad that grease affect your house. Would you still fry some chicken? I did spray some bleach first, but I didn't spray it together. I sprayed some bleach I had in a bottle, and then I sprayed some more odor band. I didn't put these chemicals together, but I know some people can't stand the smell of bleach. So if you can't, just wear a mask. But I wanted it to be deodorized, sanitized, and clean again. So here it's looking a whole lot better. I'll wash off all of these shelves. I am adding some of my shelves I already had, and I used the shelves here for my water. And I got these clear shelves from Sam's. I can't remember what they were called, but it was like a set of maybe 10 for only $20, and it was a great deal. So here, guys, I'm about to reorganize it, put my water in, and put my juice in. I haven't found any milk jug, for the milk. I was looking for that, but I couldn't find it. And so I did try to put my trays in order on what I'm trying to do. I found this butter tray on Amazon. And I'm so glad I got this because I had so much butter I didn't realize I had that much margin. I'm telling you, it's looking a whole lot better than what I started with. And remember, before you even can clean, you're going to have to declutter, pull things out, go through things, especially when you're dealing with a refrigerator. Look at dates and make sure things are still good or expired. The thing is, guys, I was really thinking, and I shared that with my husband sometime last year, I think, and I said, I think I'm thinking about getting an extra refrigerator, nothing fancy, and putting it in the laundry room because when my family comes over, they don't organize. They'll make a mess. So I'm going to give them that extra refrigerator. Go put your stuff in there. So here's good, guys. On my first shelf, I got my water, my spinach. I put my spinach in my spinach jars. And the second one really is the dairy. I didn't even realize that it came out like that, but it's working. And these trays here are stackable trays, and I did saw them in TJ Maxx, and I can't remember the price, but it was a whole lot cheaper. And I did my bins, and I just kind of went through and threw out bad vegetables and things. And guys, also, if you look at the bottom of your refrigerator, if you look at that bottom, don't forget to clean the bottom of that refrigerator. That ledge right there. And sometimes we forget about the ledge. So as we look inside of my door, I didn't show y'all the door, but the things was even falling out inside of the door. I have to get me some more bottles, to put all my sauces in because I can make more room in this refrigerator. But this is the finished results, guys. Just a few more tips and we're almost there, guys. I thank you so much for your patience in this video. And do not forget to clean and sanitize where you get your ice and your water from, okay, guys? Make sure you clean that part. Also, guys, just a quick little review of everything. And do not forget to clean the bottom of that refrigerator. Please do not forget. Underneath the bottom of your refrigerator, it holds a lot of dust. There is a vent there, okay? So please do not forget to clean under the bottom of your refrigerator. And some of us have our filter there. Make sure you're changing your filtered water. So I used the outer band on my stainless steel. And guys, it seemed to clean a whole lot better. So what y'all guys think? I got a new rug, and I like my new rug for this brand new refrigerator. And don't be surprised when you pull your refrigerator out on what you're going to see. Once again, I thank our host, Miss Denise Jordan, and please go back and watch the playlist. I hope y'all enjoy watching to the end, and do subscribe.